As you know, we are living in difficult times. We have to protect ourselves everywhere, including at trade shows. It affects all of us.
In this situation, we have to be creative.
Events like this are great and safe, especially when they make the most out of the new digital possibilities. For example, our brand new showroom.
That's what a virtual showroom should look like.
So let's explore all the highlights Siemens will be showing at the SPS Dialog 2020. There's a lot to take in, so why don't we split up and meet again later, okay?
Sure.
Let's do it. Are you really getting the most out of what digitalization can offer? We can help with our Digital Enterprise portfolio. We will show you how with 3 application examples. All made with our digital twins of product, production and performance. Let's start with the first proof point from TrackWrap, a new kind of packaging machine. What is so special about it? Compared to similar machines that use inefficient shrink wrapping, this is more environmental friendly. The machine uses a new cold wrapping process which needs no heat and less material. So how did TrackWrap develop this system? Easy, by simulating different machine concepts using the digital twin. They then took the best design, developed it completely virtual. That means they used our NX Mechatronics concept designer to test the operation virtually. It also prevents errors before it goes into real operation. And you don't have to push any button to start the machine. In this case, I'm using Sam on my mobile phone, the speech assistant for machines. Just saying to my mobile now, is the machine ready for production, Sam? Oh, cool, I got the confirmation. Now we can start the production. Okay, let's do it. Oh, wow, it works. Imagine having to produce new lightweight parts for a racing car over and over with small adjustments each time. Normally, that takes weeks and is very expensive. But this machine makes it much cheaper and faster. The FlexBot is a combination of industry 3D printing and a machine tool. It produces layer by layer in 3D printing. And finally, the part is perfected with a 6-axis robot controlled by Synomeric. To avoid collisions and let the robot work as fast as possible, it was simulated and optimized using the digital twin before it was built. The process industry always has to be able to respond quickly to new demands. To make it possible, new modules like this pre-treatment module are added during production. The operator uses the digital twin of the system to give the machine plant builder all relevant specifications. The new module is simulated using its digital twin and it's fully tested before it's delivered to the plant. It can be directly connected and start working. We call it plug and produce. That saves a lot of time and the plant operator can be a lot more flexible. Do you know the best way to begin your digital transformation in your company? What are the possibilities and what investments you need to make? The service experts from Siemens have the right answer for those questions. They offer an end-to-end approach to help you create your digital transformation. There are 3 steps: consulting, implementation, and optimization. And you can find out how. This concept was applied in our customer reference from Airborne International.
As you know, when you develop a new machine, you normally need expensive prototypes, so you can test it. Being able to simulate machines and lines offers you a huge advantage. you can simulate and test almost all functions using digital twins. Here is an example from the production of our Simatic controllers. This pick-and-place machine is responsible for fitting the printed circuit boards. What's special is that the mechanical and the electrical components and the automation were developed together in a virtual environment where everything was simulated, tested and optimized. Depending on the machine, you can do without any prototypes or reduce them to a minimum. And when it comes to integrating new machines into your lines, simulation can be a big help with optimization. Simatic Vinci Unified is a flexible, integrated visualization system. It comes with a few new developments. With Vinci Unified Edge, you can now get your web-based visualization system as an Edge app. You can make changes directly on the Edge device or do it remotely using any state-of-the-art web browser. You can create several control panels using the new remote web client. And to round it all off, there are new PC expansions for audits. That means you can quickly create the user interface you need using Vinci Unified.
Now we will take a typical separation column as an example to show you how to get the most out of your data in the process industries. This unit was simulated with SIMET and engineered with PCS Neo, our web-based collaboration software. And another highlight, now it's possible to transmit data like pressure, temperature, flow, and upload them into the cloud with C-Trans IQ. That means higher transparency of your field devices and the possibility of predictive maintenance. If you would like to know more, please contact our experts.
Putting machines and plants into operation and doing the maintenance of them should be getting faster and faster and easier, right? You can use an Ethernet cable between your machines for power transmission. This technology is called Power over Ethernet, or PoE for short. We supply Power over Ethernet capable switches for many different fields and industries. Our portfolio also includes Power over Ethernet capable terminals like cameras and Power over Ethernet power supplies. That saves space and makes the installation work easier. The best thing is that you don't need an electrician, since there's only one wire to maintain. We will use some different examples of industrial applications to demonstrate some Power over Ethernet terminals and switches for you.
With Dynamics, Siemens offers you the most complete and the most integrated family of drives with the right solution for every machine and every application. One of the highlights is the Dynamics G115D. This new decentralized drive system is ideal for applications like intralogistics and airports, because space is the biggest challenge in these locations. Therefore, the system includes the motor, frequency converter and gearbox, all in one. And the integration into the existing automation environment is very easy too. The electrical infrastructure and industrial switching technology are crucial for smooth operation in the digital age. Our Sirius, Centron and Sivacon portfolio offers you the right system and components. One highlight is the new 3WA circuit breaker, which acts as a central module to give you fail-safe electrical power distribution. It's designed for the large numbers of switching cycles you get in the industrial application, so it has a long service life. You also benefit from more transparency, since you can use the energy data both in the automation system and in the cloud.
You know better than I do. Production must never stop. But how do you make sure? We show you the benefits of edge and cloud computing using this pick-and-place application on a robot with a vacuum grip system. Process-level data from the drive and the vacuum grip system is collected in order to get status information. Based on this data, you can then use artificial intelligence to identify where at an early stage and schedule maintenance to deal with it. That improves your machine productivity and encourages interaction between humans, machines, and system management. Automation components are becoming more and more networked. And that means security is more and more important. As part of our proven multi-stage defense in depth concept for industrial security, we are showing new security functions for TIA Portal version 17. There are new options for user management, so you can fine-tune and adjust the rights you grant at a central level. And there is also encrypted and therefore protected communication between our SMARTIC S7 1500 controllers and OPC UA and secure S7 communication. With the levels of protection for SMARTIC S7, security by default also gives you improved cyber security by automatically generating passwords, for example, which you can easily configure. Christmas isn't far away now. Hopefully, I will get an individual gift.
Hey Nadja, maybe this one is perfect for Christmas? The biggest challenge for manufacturer is to pack individual packages with different contents and combinations. That makes automated packaging a real challenge.
Until now, every step had to be individually described and programmed for every product and every variation. That's a lot of effort, but not any longer. We have developed a new concept. Using artificial intelligence, a pick-and-place machine works out for itself how to adapt and to deal with new products. What challenges are you facing? We will work with you to find a technical solution for almost all of your vision. Siemens can also help you with financing solutions. A key part of our financial services right now is a model for retrofit financing. Using this service, you can check your machine to work out how its productivity would improve with a retrofit. And here is the trick. Improving your productivity will cover part of the financing costs already. And you will always have a state-of-the-art machine. Want to know more? Ask one of our experts or arrange an appointment. Thank you very much for participating in our tour.
Register right now and get your tickets for free.
And our booth personnel is ready to answer all your questions.
Whatever your plans are, we look forward to welcoming you to our SPS Dialog 2020. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.